Hi. Hi, here we are. I will show you how I take photos every night from my garden. It is what I use. This is a camera that has 1000 millimeters. You see? You see? That one. Like this, it is 1440 millimeters. But I use it this way. It is, say, near to 700 millimeters. So, this is the way I use a tripod. I put my camera over there. I put ISO at 6400 ISO. I hope you get to understand me, but I don't know how to say 6400. Okay, 6400 ISO. Haha, I got it. Okay, so this is the lens. I keep the tripod very steady. I point over there in the sky or wherever I want. It doesn't matter. I make like this. So I make rec for half an hour, and once I make that, I go to my computer. I watch it. If I have got to take something strange in the sky, very often it does happen. But in about 2 hours, one or two flying phenomena I get to catch. Okay. That's all. This is my way to take UFO. But if you go free-handed like this, it's not good. You can't follow it. You must keep the star stopped, and I don't know on the camera, yes. So if it is steady, the stars are steady, and the flying object is moving. It's better, quite better. Boy, you can stay like this for half an hour, but if you have that, you make crack, you go to watch television. Then, after an hour later, you come back. You take the SD, you put it inside your computer, you watch it in a fast way, not in the real time, half an hour. It's too boring. Okay, that's all. I repeat, I use 6400 ISO. I make the manual focus. I focus on the most brightening star in the sky. I make rec, and the lenses must be at maximum open aperture. 2 and 8 aperture. Mine is like this, also if it is almost 1000 millimeter. And then that's all. Important is manual focus. 6400 ISO. All open iris, 2 and 8. And 1000 millimeter. And you keep the zoom all near, because if it is too wide, you see the little small point make like this. But if you get it closer 30 times more, boom, it is more beautiful. Okay, that's all. Hope it was helpful for you the way I make my video to take UFO. That's all. I don't use something very particular, because if it is more powerful than 1000 millimeter, it got too close to this. So if something pass here, it's make like this. Boom. I don't get to understand what it was. While with the 1000 millimeter, it make like this. So you have 2 or 3 seconds to analyze it, and it pass it in 2 or 3 seconds. So it is better. That's all. I think. Scientists use too much. Scientists use too much. Powerful lens, so it is so close to the moon, for instance, that if something passes inside the lens, it makes like this. Boom! I don't have to see nothing. But with my intuition, with 1000 millimeters, it makes like this. So you have all the time to analyze it and understand what it is. What it is now, I don't know what it is when something flies in front of my lens, but you get to see, to watch it better. Okay, hope it was useful for you. There are more papagalli in Rome than in Australia. Goodbye. Goodbye.